Yowie, here we go again, back with another video. And you're thinking like, oh, excuse me, what? Well, I got something for y'all. And this is basically a did you know. Did you know you can have weapons in the Elimination Chamber match? What? Well, kinda. It's a steel steps. And speaking of videos, go check out my last video. I'll give you 5 seconds. Good, we're back. Anyway, so we're just gonna get right into it. It's very simple. Make Elimination Chamber, go into that, and just pick whoever you want. So I'm just gonna pick like a men's or women's Elimination Chamber. So I'm gonna go with the men's, for example, and then just get right into the match. Pretty simple. Do whatever you type of want. And also, make sure to like this video and make sure to share this with your friends and family and your big YouTubers. And notice me, Senpai. This is a glitch on here that they're probably going to patch on 2K20. I might as well just expose it on here and let you get your hands on it before anybody does it. Well, actually, I found out about this online through somebody that actually knew this. Alright, so basically, it's pretty simple. Just go out of the ring and just pull out elimination. Just pull out this steel steps, like always, usual, like you always do. And just have fun with it. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever type of damage you want to do to your opponent. But the biggest flaw on this, you can't put it in the ring. The biggest issue is, why? It'll crash your game. So you can pull out both of them and it's not going to do a damn thing. Just make sure it doesn't touch the ropes or any type of situation. See, he's just beating me up, alright? He doesn't like steel steps. So I'm just going to give you examples. So you can do whatever type you want. You can hit up. You just gotta make sure you don't run it. You don't run and stuff. Let me give you an example. Let me give you something here. I'm gonna pick him up and then I'm gonna slam him on the damn thing. But I don't think I can. Oh no, I can. Here we go. So I'm gonna slam him on it. Just make it easy for you. So take him over here and then boom, hit him like that. Do whatever type of fun you want to do. You can just hit the dude. Just make sure you don't hit it into the steel steps, out into the ring, and you're good. So watch this. Bam. Done. Anyways, so that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Share this with your friends and family. Make sure to like and subscribe. And your big YouTubers. And I'll catch y'all in the flip side. This is Mr. Broken Inner signing off. And good stuff. Deuces.